How does Imagery work for BCI training? Imagine being able to control a computer or a robotic arm just by thinking about moving your hand or foot. That's what motor imagery helps you do in brain-computer interface training. It might sound like science fiction, but it's based on real brain activity. When you think about moving a part of your body, certain areas of your brain, especially the motor cortex, become active. These areas light up in a way similar to when you actually move. This activity creates electrical signals that can be measured with devices called electroencephalography, or EEG. EEG records the brain's electrical signals from the scalp, capturing the activity caused by your thoughts. In BCI training, users learn to focus on imagining specific movements, like opening or closing their hand, or moving their foot. The system then detects the electrical signals generated during this mental practice. To help users improve, the system provides feedback. For example, a virtual hand might move on a screen when the user successfully imagines moving their real hand. Sometimes, users feel vibrations or touches from a device that responds to their brain signals. These feedback methods help users understand how well they are controlling their brain activity. Training usually involves repeating these mental exercises many times. As users practice, their brains begin to change. This process is called brain plasticity. It means the brain adapts and becomes better at generating the signals needed for control. Over time, users can become more accurate and quicker at controlling the BCI system. Some training methods combine motor imagery with actual movements or using objects like textured balls. This helps strengthen the connection between mental images and brain signals. Motor imagery-based BCI training is especially useful for helping people recover from strokes or neurological injuries. It activates the same brain regions involved in movement, which can support motor recovery. It also allows people with paralysis or limited mobility to interact with their environment by just thinking about moving. Overall, motor imagery works in BCI training by tapping into the brain's natural ability to simulate movement. With practice and feedback, users can learn to control devices solely through their thoughts. This opens up new ways for communication, assistance, and rehabilitation.